Hi guys, how's it going? Still working on the ST, in between everything else. Still self-isolated. Some dude's just turned up next door on this building site. I'm not entirely sure why, but he shouldn't be here. I don't know what's wrong with people. Anyway, I'm trying to get on with this car. I'll show you where I've got. Bumpers on, new spotlights are in. I did have trouble opening this bonnet, but I've fixed that now, so that all works. And the wing, see the wing is on, still needs some lining up, still not quite right here. A lot of work. That will probably take me about 4 hours to just sort that little piece out, but the rest is not too bad. It's going in quite well. It's a good sized gap. This corner piece here turned up yesterday, so that's part of the list. Still, the only thing I'm missing, I can't finish any of this stuff in here until I've got a new power steering pump. Now this thing is like one of the first things I ordered, and it's one of the last things to arrive, and it is doing my head in. So hopefully that will turn up soon. But like I say, I left a note on my door at work because I ordered all this stuff way before any of this self-isolation happened. So yeah, all this stuff was ordered way before any of this happened. So I get it all sent to my work address. When you're told to go home and you've got all these packages turning up, and you've got these companies emailing you saying, where are you? It's been interesting, to say the least. Fortunately, I put a message on the door to say ring me and we can run through this. One of them, thankfully, is sending it to me house. That one should come today, and I know what that is. It's not the power steering pump, unfortunately. Yeah, still got a lot of sanding to do here. Like I say, bits on the front, but that will probably take me all today. Yeah, hope you're all well. Hope you're all staying safe and self-isolating like I am. I have not been anywhere since Monday. Monday was my last day of work, and then it was just Tuesday got the message saying didn't come to work. So yeah, here I am. Thankfully, thankfully I've got plenty to do. So yes, I hope you're all well, keeping safe. I don't know what else to say really. It's not as upbeat as what it usually would be. Just don't feel like it at the moment. Still work going on. I live on a farm area, so there's people doing farm stuff around me at the moment. I don't think that it's essential what he's actually doing, but who knows. Right, I'll cut it here and I'll show you if I've got any more progress. Yeah, wrapping, all the wraps turned up, so that's here, but like I say, I've got a load of stuff to do before that, but I'm still waiting for this power steering pump. I'm just trying to do other things in the meantime, waiting for it. But yeah, right, my beauties, stay safe, be good. Boom.
Near here is where Shipton took his remarkable photograph. The image that started the West's obsession with the Yeti.